thank you, Paul, for kicking things off, and thank you, Minister, for taking the time to be here today and for talking us through the national strategies and plans that underpin our theme today. My name is Rachel.
And my name is Kiera, and it's an honour for both of us to be your hosts for EIC 26. We all would have travelled, be it a short or long distance, using critical infrastructure to be here today. Over half of the people in the audience in front of me have one of 4 key words in their job title. Those words are GIS, data, spatial, and digital. Alongside you are company directors, IT professionals, project managers, and researchers, to name a few. And while so many of you share similar job titles, there is a vast representation of sectors and industry in the room today, from all parts of the island, which illustrates how GIS underpins the infrastructure of our society. You're all here today because you are the people who collectively possess the invaluable skills, knowledge, and industry experience to tackle the complex challenges that Paul and the Minister have spoken to this morning. The speakers you will see on the stage throughout the day are here to help you make smarter decisions at the ambitious pace and scale that's required from all of us to help build a stronger future.
You're going to hear some amazing stories today from people who are using GIS in their organisations to make smarter decisions. You're going to hear from the likes of ESB, Northern Ireland Water, Dublin Airport, and Fibrus and Fibre Optics, who are using GIS in really powerful ways. Later this afternoon, we have some really cool tech talks where you'll see AI, field operations, and GeoBIM in action. We want you to leave here today feeling empowered to use this technology in your own organisations tomorrow. So whether you're here as a group of GIS analysts or you're the decision maker in your organisation, there is something for everyone. So as you listen to the speakers today, there's going to be so much for you to learn, but we want you to think about that one thing that you will take away. What one thing will help you build a stronger future?
If there is anything that you want to know more about throughout the day, you can scan the QR code on the screen behind me now. You will see this pop up over the course of the day, so you can submit any questions or thoughts you may have as they arise. You can also talk to us too, of course. But if you're posting any of your thoughts online, we ask that you use the hashtag EIC26 so we can keep the conversation connected.
Okay, so we know you're all here to help build a stronger future across our island, and you've heard from the Minister on why that's so important. But how are we going to do it? It's time to take a look at the technology and the role GIS plays in helping all of your organisations deliver real impact. With 42 years' experience working in GIS across Ireland, the UK, New Zealand, and the Middle East, I'd like to welcome Esri Ireland's Head of Technology, Robert Morrison.